Hello, welcome to Slow English. Today's story is called The Lost Phone. It is very easy. Let's begin. Tom is a young man. He lives in a small city. Every day, Tom uses his phone. He uses it for work. He uses it to talk to friends. One morning, Tom goes to work. He takes the bus. He sits near the window. He looks outside. He feels calm. After 10 minutes, Tom stands up. The bus stops. He gets off the bus. He walks to his office. Suddenly, Tom stops. He touches his pocket. His phone is not there. Tom feels nervous. He looks in his bag. No phone. He looks in his jacket. No phone. He thinks for a moment. Maybe my phone is on the bus, he says. Tom runs back to the bus stop, but the bus is gone. Tom feels sad. His phone is very important. Tom asks a woman at the bus stop, "Did you see a phone?" The woman says, "No, sorry." Tom feels tired. He sits down. He waits. After 5 minutes, a man comes. He holds a phone in his hand. He looks around. The man asks, "Is this your phone?" Tom looks at the phone. It is his phone. Tom feels very happy. "Yes, that is my phone," Tom says. "Thank you very much." The man smiles. "You forgot it on the bus," he says. "I found it on the seat." Tom says thank you again. He feels relieved. He puts the phone in his pocket. Now Tom is careful. He always checks his pocket. He never forgets his phone again. Tell us in the comments, what do you do if you lose your phone? If you like this story, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment. This is Slow English. See you in the next story.